Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Ryobi cordless electric string trimmer and edger. The Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt lithium-ion cordless electric string trimmer and edger. If you're looking for a lightweight, versatile tool to keep your lawn and garden edges looking sharp, this might just be the perfect fit for you. The Ryobi 1 Plus runs on an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, which offers a nice balance between power and portability. The battery system is part of Ryobi's 1 Plus family, meaning the battery and charger you use with this tool are compatible with over 100 other Ryobi tools. This versatility is a huge advantage for anyone who already owns or plans to own multiple Ryobi tools, saving you money and storage space. One of the standout features of this trimmer is its 10-inch cutting width. This size provides efficient trimming for small to medium-sized yards, allowing you to cover more ground without having to stop and reload as often. The shaft is designed to rotate, so switching between trimming and edging is quick and easy without needing extra tools. This feature makes lawn maintenance more convenient, especially when working around sidewalks, driveways, and garden beds. Weighing just 4 pounds, this trimmer is very lightweight, which reduces fatigue during extended use. Its compact design and easy handling make it beginner-friendly for those new to lawn care or anyone who prefers a hassle-free experience. Assembly is required but straightforward, getting you ready to work in no time. The battery itself charges in about an hour, so you won't be waiting long before you can get back to trimming. However, the runtime per charge will depend on the thickness of the grass and how you use the tool. Still, for most typical residential tasks, the power and runtime are more than adequate. Another thing to appreciate is how the Ryobi 1 Plus balances performance and value. It offers solid cutting power without the noise and fumes of gas-powered trimmers, making it more environmentally friendly and quieter for your neighbors. Plus, it's cordless, which means no tangled cords or limited range, giving you freedom of movement around your yard. Overall, the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt lithium-ion cordless electric string trimmer and edger offers a combination of power, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're edging your lawn, trimming around trees, or tidying up flower beds, this tool is designed to get the job done efficiently with minimal effort. If you want a dependable, lightweight, and easy-to-use trimmer that fits into a broader ecosystem of tools, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product insights. See you next time.